Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to create avatars using Selfie. So if you want to create your own look-like avatar using your Selfie, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your Facebook, then tap on the 3-line icon at the right down part of the screen. Tap on it, then you tap on the gear button in the menu section. Tap on the gear button, then just give it a few seconds to load the settings and privacy. So under the settings and privacy, tap on see more in account center. Tap on it, then tap on the profile icon or the profile name. Tap on the profile again, then from there tap on avatar. So right here, okay, tap on the avatar. So for you to be able to create using your Selfie, you're gonna have to delete this avatar, or you switch to avatar. Once you switch to avatar, tap on the plus icon. Then right here, you should have the option to create from Selfie. So you're gonna have to turn this. Once you tap on this button, it will automatically turn your camera on, the front camera on. Then you just have to snap a selfie picture, just like what you have in this image. You have to take a selfie picture. So this selfie picture you take will now be used to generate a avatar for you that you can use on Facebook. Just something like this of this, and that is it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thank you.